Welcome to Wellness Wednesday. Carmela Wolf here at Down to Earth on King Street. Today I'm going to talk a little bit more about healthy and natural household cleaning. Many of us are interested in keeping our houses clean and sanitized these days, but also we want to try to avoid chemicals, harsh chemicals that affect our bodies and also can affect the environment. Now, Down to Earth does carry quite a variety of clean and natural household cleaners that you can use easily to keep things clean, whether it's your laundry, your dishes, your bathrooms, anything in the house to keep it clean and healthy, right? But you can also make your own, and they're very simple, inexpensive ingredients that you can use. In fact, something that I've done many times is taken a spray bottle, and you can find a variety of spray bottles at Down to Earth Empty you can use, or you can recycle spray bottles that you've used in your household cleaners as well. And a simple solution is just to use Dr. Bronner's and water. You can leave it at that. Simple, simple, simple. But I like to add some essential oils to the mix. Citrus essential oils are great at cutting grease and fat and cleaning as well. So you can find these types of recipes online easily. That's why Dr. Bronner says 18 in 1, because there are 18 in 1 uses. I have a lot of colleagues that also like to use it in their laundry instead of the laundry detergents that we have. Sometimes we like to add vinegar to our rinse cycle when we're doing our laundry, which is a great way to also clean things and get any nasty extra smell out of your laundry. And these are things that you can make a lot of your household cleaning products with: baking soda, vinegar, water, Castile soap, very natural, clean, inexpensive ingredients. When it comes to disinfecting, which has been something, a point of interest these days, yes, there are things like bleach that are used in products and others, but they're kind of harsh chemicals we don't always want to expose ourselves to. Something that is natural that we use at home, and I've used for a long time, is food-grade hydrogen peroxide. I like to spray it on my cutting board because it can help get rid of the bacteria on a cutting board, and it's food grade, so it doesn't matter if you end up consuming a little bit of it. But hydrogen peroxide, it does take a little longer to destroy viruses and take care of certain types of bacteria and things like that. But you can spray it around the house too. So I do that. I spray it on doorknobs and light switches and go through and leave it as I spray everything so it can sit a little while to do its job, and then go back through once I've sprayed it all and go back and wipe it all down. So cleaning it up, making it fresh and healthy and free of any kind of germs and things we don't want, but in a way that's also healthy for you and the environment. So keep it clean and stay healthy.